Today, I'll show you how to enable Gmail desktop notifications. If you want to see an alert on your computer every time a new email arrives, Gmail has a built-in desktop notification setting you can turn on. Google says you can choose between notifications for all new mail or only important mail, and these notifications appear when you're signed into Gmail and have Gmail open in a supported browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. To get started, open Gmail on your Mac or PC in a web browser. Then click the settings icon in the top right corner and choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you find Desktop Notifications. Google says this is where you can select New Mail Notifications on, Important Mail Notifications on, or Mail Notifications off. After choosing the option you want, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now, here's something very important. Even if Gmail notifications are turned on inside Gmail, your browser also has to allow notifications for the Gmail website. Google's Chrome Help says you can open the Gmail site, click the site information icon near the address bar, and make sure notifications are allowed. If the browser blocks notifications, Gmail alerts may not appear even when the Gmail setting is enabled. You should also choose the notification type that fits how you use your inbox. If you get a lot of email every day, important mail notifications may be the better option because it reduces pop-ups and only alerts you for messages Gmail considers important. But if you want to know about every new message, select New Mail Notifications on instead. Google lists both of these choices directly in Gmail's desktop notification settings. There's one more thing to remember. Google says Gmail desktop notifications work when you are signed into Gmail and have it open in your browser. So if you enable the setting but still do not see alerts, make sure Gmail is open, your browser permission is allowed, and your computer itself is not blocking browser notifications. And that's how to enable Gmail desktop notifications. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.